how to set up Axie Infinity. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can set up your Axie Infinity account. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So for those of you who don't know what Axie Infinity is, it's basically a cryptocurrency game, like NFTs and cryptocurrency. Like, you can do a lot of stuff in it. So it's pretty amazing. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first things first, what you want to do is come over here onto their website called axieinfinity.com. Now once you're over here, just simply click on the Play Now banner over here at the top corner. Simply click on it and it's going to take you over here where it's going to show you how you can, set up an account. So you have to create a Ronin wallet, get Axie's account creation, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and click on Get Started. We're going to download the extension for our Chrome browser. This is going to be the Ronin extension. We're going to add it to our browser. Click on Add Extension. Wait for a couple of seconds for it to be downloaded, and once it's downloaded, we are good to go. So here we go, Ronin extension downloaded. Let me just pin it over here. Now let me just click on Ronin to get started, and now over here we just have to set up our account. So just simply, if you don't have a Ronin account, you can just simply click on I am new. Let's get to the setup. Or if you already have an account, you can enter in with your secret recovery phrase that you get once you have imported a wallet. So I don't have a wallet, so I'm going to create a new one and I'll allow it. And over here we just set up a password for our account. So I'm going to go ahead and set up a password. And then we have our secret recovery phase over here. So once I click on it, my secret recovery phase will be revealed, and then I have to enter it according to the list. So there are going to be 12 keywords that I have to enter in word by word, and once I've done that, our account, our wallet will be set to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Catch you guys in a second. So over here, as you can see, we don't have to actually enter in all of 12 of our keywords. We just have to enter in the number 2, the number 4, the number 8, and the number 12, and we are good to go. All right, there we go. So as you can see, I've entered it. Then I'll click over here. Oh, forgot the space. Now we are good to go. So as you can see, your wallet has now been created, and we are good to go. So now what we do is we come back over here, we click on Play Now, and we simply click on Get Started. Now if we already have that, we'll just simply click on Next. Now over here, we need to buy some Axies on their marketplace, deposit some ETH on Ronin and buy some Axies from their official marketplace. And then that's how we start playing it, right? So, but before we do that, we just have to set up our account. Over here, we can create an account on the Axie official marketplace, right? And then we just simply download and play. So you can download it on desktop over here. This is going to be the two games actually, the Axie Infinity Origin and the Axie Classic, desktop, mobile, iOS, and stuff like that. So it's available over here. So we just simply click on the download button over here to actually download the game. Here we go. So now once the game has been downloaded, we will go ahead and play it. So I'm going to pause this video right here. Catch you guys in a second. All right, the game has now been installed, and now this is the setup right here, Mavis Hub. So now we just extract it all over here. As you can see, let me just extract this right here. There we go. Now I just simply click on Mavis Hub setup and install the setup. And I'm just simply going to go ahead and install the game, and then I'll meet you guys once the game is ready to play. All right, so now what we do is we need to create an account. So we just simply click on Create New Account over here. It's going to take us to the skymave.com, the Skymave network, and over here we just enter in our email address or password, or we can sign in with our Ronin account, which we have installed. So we're going to click on Ronin wallet. It's going to open up over here, pop up the transaction. We're going to confirm the message, and hopefully we have to sign. I don't believe it. Okay, I don't believe we have to sign it up. So now we are good to go. So we have our account ready. This is our username right here, and we just set up an email and password, right? So we just simply click over here and set up our email, password, and we are good to go. And once we have confirmed our password, they're gonna send us an email with the verification code that we have to enter in over here. All right, there we go. Entered in the numbers. Now we just confirm, and boom, we're good to go. Now we just enter in our information over here and we can log in. Verified successfully. Now we click on the login button. Okay, so as you can see, we are logged in, and this is how it looks like. So over here on the left hand side, we're going to have our games. So we can go ahead and install Axie Infinity or Axie Infinity Origin. It all depends on you. And if you're wondering why you would need to pay this, it's pretty amazing. In this game, there are basically two cryptocurrencies to look out for. There is the AXS, which is called Axie, which is their, main cryptocurrency that they use, that you would use to buy or sell stuff. And then there is another cryptocurrency called Small Love Potion, which you earn by playing in game, and then you can, convert it into the Binance, and you can like convert it to USDT and basically earn cash, which is pretty amazing. So let me show you actually. First, let me just install this game. While that installs, I'm going to show you on Binance. There we go, it's installing. So over here, let me go over to Binance and search for SLP, right? Small Love Potion. So actually, okay, sorry about that. It wasn't Small Love Potion, it was Smooth Love Potion. So this is the cryptocurrency that you can earn within the game, and you can go ahead and cash it out in any other cryptocurrency, and basically you can earn money, which is pretty amazing. And if you want to learn more about it, let me just show you. So over here, as you can see, coin market as well. So Smooth Love Potion right here. Over here we can see this is currently over here are the current rates over here. What is Smooth Love Potion? Over here, Smooth Love Potion tokens are earned by playing the Axie Infinity game. The digital asset serves as a replacement for experience points. So basically, you play the game, you gain experience points in the form of Smooth Love Potion, which you can then, convert it into real money. So it's pretty amazing. These are this is one of the cryptocurrency SLP, and there's another one called AXS, I believe. Let me see. There we go, Axie Infinity, AXS. Over here, as you can see, currently this is the price of AXS, $13.97. Well, cryptocurrency has taken a major hit in this past few months, I would say, but it's safe to assume that it was once over at peaking at $14. I mean, currently it's at what, 13, so it's not a big jump, but still, if you wanted to know, this is the current standing of it. But as I said before, your main goal is to earn SLP, Smooth Love Potion, with which you can earn experience. So let's see how far it has gotten. Installation complete. We are set to go. Then we just simply click on the play button to actually play the game. And yeah, but I'm not going to show you how you can play the game because my computer is not heavy enough to both record and play the game at the same time. But hopefully I'm going to upgrade soon, so then I'll be able to show you the gameplay as well. So pretty simple, nothing too complicated about that. You just go over to their main website, you connect your wallet, and then you download the installer, and then you just simply play the game. If you want to get crazy, you can go ahead and buy the Axies from their official Axie marketplace, which is basically their avatars that you would use to play. They are called Axies. So over here, as you can see, let me show you, we have a bunch of different ones. Over here they have different attributes as well: power, health, and rating, and all of that. And these little guys, these cute little pets, they're called Axies, with which you play with. So yeah, so that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.